I believe I saw this song before from last time, right?
Hey!
Okay.
Nice one, girl.
Take your breath. Okay. What's your name?
My name is Kriz.
Okay, Chris. How long have you been a fan of Tilly Birds?
Been a fan of Tilly Bird since 2019, so it's already 5 years.
Hey, let's go, girl.
Okay. So I hope it's worth the wait, right?
Pangarap.
Can you sing worth the wait?
Girl.
Okay. Good.
Galingan mo, Kriz. Let's go, Kriz! Ah! Let's go,
Okay.
Kriz! Cheer up! Wala lang ako sa harap ko.
Okay. Okay. She needs some time to look up for lyrics. Okay, it's okay. I'm so excited too. And Tilly Bird songs are very difficult to sing. Coming from the singer himself. So please,
Okay.
I'm so happy to have some help with you.
Girl, goal mo na yan.
Okay. It's okay, it's okay.
Go, girl. Go, girl.
Ang berat niat